Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON Multi-Touch Panel PC and powered by Intel Processor N series. So friend, AAEON has announced two new Panel PC ACP-2106 and which feature a 10-inch WXGA screen and the ACP-2076 equipped with 7-inch WSVGA Projected Capacitive Multi-Touch screen compared to the previous panel PC offering. Both the ACP-2106 and ACP-2076 offer sustainable improvement in processing power and the choice of either the Intel Processor N50 and Intel Processor N97 CPU, and both new addition to range support 32 GB of DDR5 memory. An ACP-2076 grant user a 7-inch display with a 1024x600 resolution, and the ACP-2106 10-inch screen offer a slightly higher screen of 1280x800 pixel resolution, and both PC are also equipped with HDMI 1.4b port, making that suitable for applications that require dual display capabilities such as a smart kiosk. And both models also provide wide viewing angle and high brightness level. The ACP-2076 achieves 320 cadmium per meter square and ACP-2106 reaching 300 cadmium per meter square, ensuring consistent visibility in a variety of environments. And with regards to the series potential, the industrial automation market, the ACP-2106 and ACP-2076 are equipped with board selection of advanced communication interface, dual LAN port, and support 2.5 gigabit speed and 8-bit GPIO and 2DB9 port that offer RS-232, 422, and 485 connectivity. And AAEON note that two additional RS-232 interface are available via optional side panel based DB9 port, and onboard connectivity is accompanied by board expansion option including M.2 3052B key slot and Nano SIM card slot for 5G module support, as well as M.2 2230E key slot for Wi-Fi connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.